In a world built on atoms and molecules, where invisible forces shape the visible world, there must be order, there must be understanding, there must be a language, universal, precise, and powerful. That language is chemistry, and the voice behind that language is IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. More than a name, more than an acronym, IUPAC is the silent architect of scientific clarity, the guardian of consistency, the global authority on what we call things, how we measure them, and how we share our knowledge. Let's go back. The year is 1919. The world is still healing from the Great War. And amidst this chaos, chemists from across nations come together, not to argue, not to compete, but to standardize, to unite. And from that moment, a legacy began. The founding of IUPAC. They gave us structure, they gave us names, they gave us the foundation to build modern chemistry. The periodic table, they named its elements. The formulas we use, they refined them. The atomic weights, they verified them. But IUPAC is not history, it is living science. It is today, and it is tomorrow. It lives in the laboratories developing life-saving drugs. It thrives in climate models fighting environmental destruction. It echoes through classrooms in every language, teaching future generations the truths of matter and molecules. IUPAC does not chase the spotlight. It doesn't seek applause, but it is everywhere. In the air we breathe, in the food we eat, in the technologies we use every single day. It is behind every great scientific collaboration, quietly building bridges between nations, between disciplines, between people. 8 scientific divisions now drive IUPAC's mission, from organic and polymer chemistry to human health and environmental impact. Each division, a force, each leader, a steward of precision and truth. Together they form a network, not just of science, but of hope. And what guides this union? Scientific excellence, transparency, collaboration, diversity, and an unwavering commitment to ethical progress. These are not slogans, these are values lived daily, by every volunteer, every expert, every country IUPAC touches. In 2019, we celebrated 100 years of IUPAC, a century of leadership, a century of impact. But this is not the end. This is the beginning of a new century with new challenges and new responsibilities. So let us ask, how can we use chemistry to save lives, to protect the planet, to build a future where knowledge flows freely across borders and barriers? The answer begins with IUPAC. Because chemistry is the central science, and IUPAC is its compass. We may not see it, we may not hear it, but the world as we know it cannot function without it. We are IUPAC, international, unique, indispensable, advancing chemistry for the benefit of humankind.